This is item B0867. This is a metallic gold trim. This is a very, very different trim because it is on black organza. So it really has the gold pop out. This is amazing for evening wear. If you have an evening dress that's black, you can easily sew this on and you will not be able to see the organza. It will just look like this beautiful gold design is hovering over your dress. It has a little bit of metallic thread in the middle and stitching throughout it. It's got the scallops at the top and deeper scallops on the bottom. This trim is just a couple inches, so it's about 4.5 inches wide. And it can really be used for anything, especially during this holiday season. If you want something a little bit to have more of an elegant look for the holidays, this gold will definitely be it. Comment below, let us know what you use this for. Enjoy!